Uzbekistan style chicken dumplings. Like 15 of these little dumplings. I'm not sure exactly what the white sauce is. I think it's mayonnaise. Yogurt. Pretty sure it's yogurt. This is the Uzbekistan style restaurant. I'm pretty certain those are guest houses above the restaurant. That was really good. I think it was 15 chicken dumplings in a very mild broth. It's all for $3.98. So that's a really good deal, I think. $4 for a filling lunch and a bottle of water. Now let's go find some coffee. Oh my goodness. Thought I heard chickens. You're all future dinners. Sorry to say it, but you're all future dinners. Cappuccino. It's dinner time. I have no idea what I want tonight. Just gonna wander around a bit. Try to figure out what do we want to do for dinner. Now, I ate at a different Istanbul kind of restaurant. Looks similar motif. So it might be multiple locations. I'm pretty certain I've seen like 2 other locations. This one's not open tonight. It kind of gotten the impression that whoever starts a restaurant and gets some success, they'll start up a second, third restaurant. There's an Indian restaurant, vegan only. Kind of like eating my little piggies, my little chickens. Kind of heading back to the same area where all the bulk of the Westerners in this area tend to be this time of night, getting dinner. Because I could do food cart and get hit for a massage pass. Oh, I just don't know what I want to do for dinner tonight. Maybe ramen? The crazy part is that whatever I want to eat, wherever I want to eat, it's just walk. Actually been here for over 2 weeks and have yet to cook a meal in my apartment. I don't know if that's good or bad, but it is what it is. Starting to feel like, well, I don't think that dog wants to stop walking or doesn't want to start walking. But I've seen a lot of corgis in this area, so I'm guessing that's one of the more popular breeds, at least in this area. Tonight is chicken tenders with mac and cheese. It's supposed to have like a Nashville hot sauce kind of a thing on some of it. I can smell it. I don't see a lot of it though. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So tonight's dinner was here at Chops. It's a burger joint. I almost went with one of the burgers. I saw the chicken burger, and I saw the chicken mac and cheese. Well, decision was made. Saw these the other day. I wasn't sure if anyone was actually using them, but it turns out some of the locals actually do use these. Do a little exercising for the night. I don't know how much of them are actually getting much actual exercising or just goofing off. Some of those are actually, those are not all locals. There are the foreigners. My bad. Another great day to watch waves here at the My Khe, I'm not sure how to pronounce that word, beach. Finish the night off with a cappuccino here at Highlands. Kind of watch the crowds go around. There's another coffee place over there. I've been several times. Got a bakery in there.